Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue text to speech voice data not working. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to accessibility, then select text to speech, go to engine configuration, select language. So here you can change language. So if you want to use system language, select first option. Otherwise you can select one language from the list, go back. Then we have to install voice data for selected language. Select install voice data. So from here we can download and install voice data for selected language. Done. After that we can go back to accessibility, select screen reader, enable it. Then we can test to speech. Okay, so this way we can fix that issue. Just install voice data for selected language. Okay, so please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.